This is NotebookLM. It is an AI assistant released by Google, which allows you to do a bunch of cool stuff like uploading your own data from multiple sources and asking it questions, which the AI answers with accurate citations, or taking all of your notes and transforming them into a finished article. And you can do all this online and totally free. The cool part is that Google says your data is private, though I will still recommend you to be cautious. In this video, I will show you how to sign up for NotebookLM and use it with your own documents. So let's dive right in. Go to the link in description and click Try NotebookLM. It is only available in the US, but there are ways around that. Once logged in, you will see an interface very similar to Google Drive. They have given a couple of example notebooks, but before checking them out, let me show you how to create your own. I was recently studying about Moravec's paradox for a video, so let's create a notebook for that. You can add multiple sources, including from your own Google Drive, PDFs, or just copy-paste directly. I downloaded the PDF from Wikipedia page of Moravec's paradox, so I am just going to upload that. It has 4 pages and will take a few seconds for the AI to process. By the way, each of your sources can have up to 200,000 words, which is bonkers. After Google is done loading a source, you will see a summary upon clicking the source, with key topics being covered in your source. On the side, there is a chat box with some suggested questions. You can obviously ask your own questions, like I am doing. The AI provides citations below each of its answers. You can hover over each citation to see the exact text it is using from your source, or click on the citation number to jump to that point in your text as well. Let's close this source and jump back to the notebook, because I want to show you an example with multiple sources and how powerful this tool can really be. I have opened an example notebook about invention of the light bulb. As you can see, it has 4 sources on the sidebar, and we can ask questions from all these 4 sources by typing in this chat box at the bottom. I will choose a question from suggested options to show you how the AI actually answers from all 4 sources. By the way, guys, if you are enjoying this video, consider liking and subscribing. It will really help me out on YouTube. Let's continue. The answer you see on the screen is from all the sources. Has citations as before, on which you can hover to see the referred text. If you click on a citation, it will take you inside the main source for that citation. Click the cross button to jump out of individual sources and back to the notebook. Like I showed you previously, you can ask your own questions as well. In this answer, the points related to Joseph are coming from sources related to his Wikipedia page, and bullet points under Thomas Edison come from source related to him. As always, we have the citations marked below. You can also select and deselect sources. So if you wanted an answer to come from only 3 documents, for example, just uncheck the one you don't want. Pretty easy, right? This tool is free, has a great user interface, and runs online. But it is still experimental, so it might hallucinate here and there, though, with citations. The chances are low. Still double-check your facts and make sure not to share private info. I highly recommend checking out the Introduction to NotebookLM Notebook. It has got some great tips and a list of the full features. That's all, guys. If you like this video, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.